there, train fans. I'm Chris. This is my channel, Other Side of the Tracks. Thanks so much for being here today. Behind me is the third and final box I will receive from the New Hope Railroad, formerly the New Hope and Ivyland Railroad. So I'm continuing on my quest to completely fill my outer 036 loop with New Hope and Ivyland / New Hope Railroad train items. So let's go ahead and check out this box we got from their gift shop. See, we got right there, New Hope Railroad. Oh yes. All right, let's get that open here. We got this little packing slip in the way. So I definitely tried to grab anything New Hope and Ivyland / New Hope Railroad, as they call it now. But when I lived in Pennsylvania, it was New Hope and Ivyland. So for me, the traditional name, which is what it was for many decades, New Hope and Ivyland, is always what's going to be in my mind. Here we go. We have another Lionel Boxcar made in USA. It is their Merry Christmas Boxcar, the New Hope Railroad. Traditional size, 027 scale. Here's our little sticker on the side. So a lot of the holidays are very popular at the New Hope Railroad. They put on a lot of events and have people dressed up for the occasion, do a lot of decorating. Great events for families to go out and check out during those various holidays. All right, we'll go ahead and take this out of the packaging. As of the filming of this video, these Merry Christmas New Hope Railroad boxcars are still available directly from the New Hope gift shop. So you could either get them in person in historic Bucks County, Pennsylvania, or like I did, order them from their website and they'll mail them right to your home. All right, there we have it. So we have our typical Lionel boxcar here. Everything molded on, not too many frills, but we do have some sprung trucks on them. So it's your standard 10.5-inch boxcar, more or less. We got our sliding doors here, but we have some really cute holiday graphics. We got Santa and the tree. Merry Christmas to all. So I know holiday sets around the Christmas trees are very popular. So for any kind of Christmas display, this would be quite appropriate, especially if you're a fan of little excursion railroads, or if you're just running a New Hope Railroad train, this will fit in there no problem, since it's New Hope Railroad themed. In fact, this nice big black stripe here with the yellow lettering is consistent with the New Hope and Ivyland GP30 excursion set that Lionel came out with in 2021, as well as the New Hope and Ivyland exclusive boxcar that they came out with that same year. Okay, with that New Hope Railroad lettering style, we see it consistently over here on number 2198, the GP30 that the railroad operates, and Lionel modeled very beautifully back around 2021. And here is that aforementioned New Hope Railroad boxcar that New Hope came out with as well, keeping with that same type of lettering. So nice to see that consistency throughout, and yeah, they all look great. So I think we should put them all together and take them for a little spin on the layout here. Alright folks, there we have it, the New Hope Railroad Merry Christmas Boxcar, exclusive from the New Hope Railroad gift shop. I hope you enjoyed checking it out. Great item for any New Hope fan, and will look great around any kind of Christmas tree display as well for the holidays. Please do take a moment to like and subscribe. Check out our other videos, and we'll see you next time. Take care.